Yeah. There's Carolyn. She's putting the ladder up for you, buddy. And there's Dell. Say hi, Dell.
Hi, Dell.
That's a good one over here. Once you get behind.
Oh, I'm doing it in video because he'll watch it over and over and over again. Oh, and look, there it goes, starting to extend. Del, this is so cool. Thank you so much.
I'll be here for many years, so whenever they want to come back in, I'll be around.
How cool is that, Connor?
Grab
got
the
20 years
ladder.
Oh, there she goes.
Del has to climb on that thing.
Yeah, that's actually a really fun tool because you get the best vantage point of the fire.
Oh, sure.
It's awesome. And all I'm doing up there is literally just shooting water.
Oh, is it one of the safer jobs too?
I don't know about safer, but it could be hairy if you're close to the roof line because sometimes the flames get.
No.